A factory reset returns your T-Mobile REVVL 4 to its original state, erasing all personal data, apps, and settings. It's useful for resolving persistent software issues like crashes or slow performance. It's also useful for preparing the phone for resale, or as a last resort security measure since the device no longer receives security updates. Important, since the REVVL 4 is an older, unsupported device, consider upgrading to a newer phone if security is a major concern. This reset won't update the Android OS, but will wipe your data, and is generally the last step to try before replacing the phone due to software issues. There are two primary methods to factory reset your REVVL 4. Via Android settings, if your phone is responsive, go to Settings, then System, then Reset Options, and select Erase All Data Factory Reset. Follow the prompts. Via recovery mode buttons, if your phone is unresponsive, power it off. Then press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously until the T-Mobile logo appears. Use volume keys to navigate to Wipe Data Factory Reset and power button to select it. Confirm your choice. Crucial reminders. Always back up your data to Google Drive or another secure location before resetting, as this process will erase everything. Ensure your battery is at least 50% charged to prevent interruption during the reset. Following the reset, you'll need to log back into your Google account.